Sly Media TV, building bridges.
The Permanent Secretary, Minister of Defense and all Veteran Affairs, Comrade Andrea. The First Lady, Dr. Mnangagwa. The Vice President and Minister of Health and Child Care, Honorable General Retired Dr. Zimbabwean and the Second Secretary, the Vice President of the Representative, General Retired KCD Mohammed, the Minister of Defense and the War Veteran Affairs, and Chairman of ZDF, Honorable Zimbabwean. The Speaker of the House of Assembly, Honorable Advocate Genda, President of the Senate, Honorable Amai Mnangagwa, the Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Luke Malawa, members of the Central Committee who are here, leaders of other political parties who may be here, Cabinet Ministers, Chief Secretary, and also the President Cabinet, Dr. Michel Spanner, Chairman of the Public Service Commission, Dr. Vincent Duwe, Commander Zimbabwean Defense Forces, General Philip Valerio Spanner, Service Chiefs, Mazambedu, Maritano Nubezai, members of the Command Corps who are here, His Worship Mayor of Harare, Councillor Jane Afume, Head of Delegation of the Malawian Defense Forces, Soccer Team, Major General J.A. Jafu, Jr., and your esteemed delegation, invited guests, comrades, and friends. Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. We are gathered here once again to celebrate yet another year of excellency by the Zimbabwean Defense Forces in the execution of their mandate of safeguarding our independence, national sovereignty, territorial integrity, national interests, as well as rich, liberated cultural heritage. The theme of this year's celebrations is, of course, Zimbabwean forces creating a conducive environment for the achievement of Vision 2030, and, of course, is recognition of the importance of a peaceful and tranquil environment for sustainable development. In this regard, the Zimbabwean Defense Forces remains a vital core in the ongoing national socio-economic modernization and development of our great motherland. Zimbabwe. Since its creation, the Zimbabwean Defense Forces has always been a people's force, which has effectively defended our beloved country and has guaranteed our nationhood in the face of adversity and aggression from detractors. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces priority and the principal vision is transformation through modernization in such areas as training and manpower development, among others. Over the years, the defense forces have progressively transformed into a dependable, agile, hard-hitting force capable of containing any threat to our motherland. This has been realized through robust, relevant and responsive training, as well as personnel development programs. Further, it is commendable that the Zimbabwe Defense Forces has maintained sound and coordinated working relations with other security agencies for the notable success recorded in the sphere of civil-military relations. In addition, our defense forces are playing their part towards sustainable regional and international peace and security. I therefore applaud you, the officers, men and women of our Zimbabwe Defense Forces, for your high levels of professionalism, discipline, diligence, and defense capabilities, which have made these characteristics synonymous with our country's military. The Zimbabwe National Defense University has now opened its doors to civilian students. The faculties and disciplines offered by the university have equally been programs in line with current skill gaps and priorities, with a bias towards engineering and aviation programs. Meanwhile, the university has also introduced a degree program in disaster management to enhance knowledge and national capacity in disaster response, mediation and recovery. In line with the Advanced Education 5.0 model, the Zimbabwe National Defense University is being capacitated to play its part in championing the industrialization and modernization of our motherland, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a unitary state, and I congratulate Zimbabwe Defense Forces for ensuring geographical and gender equity in its recruitment policy. The high quality of education being available at Zimbabwe Defense Forces schools is applauded for facilitating both our male and female children to have equal opportunities in line with their talents, dreams, and potential. The various flagship training institutions of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces have over the years, taken on board external students. This has in turn strengthened relations between the Zimbabwe Defense Forces and the friendly forces, while consolidating cooperation within the framework of Zimbabwe's foreign policy. As such, Zimbabwe Defense Forces is benefiting from training exchange programs with countries in the Pacific region and beyond. I thank the governments of the People's Republic of China, the Russian Federation, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, and Malaysia for enriching partnerships with regards to the training needs of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Our country is grateful for this cooperation and stands ready to play its part toward advancing global peace and security. In that context, a total of 36 Zimbabwe Defense Forces officers are deployed to United Nations missions, while others are deployed under the auspices of the African Union. As a member of the African Union Peace and Security Council, Zimbabwe is also contributing to ongoing initiatives in search for lasting solutions to instability, threats of terrorism, and violent extremism on our mother African countries in the spirit of African solutions to African problems. Our country condemns wanton Western aggression and opposes the use of sanctions as a foreign policy tool under the notion mighty is right. We continue to call for a global system based on principles of the United Nations Charter and equality of nations and a multipolar global system. My dear comrades and countrymen women, the security of our beloved motherland Zimbabwe, as well as the unflinching patriotism, loyalty, and strategic capabilities of our security sector, and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces in particular, remain the cornerstone of the preservation of our independence, our unity, our peace, stability, and sustainable development. As Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, I have therefore made a deliberate decision to heighten the pace of the modernization and capacitation of our defense forces. A broad array of monetary and non-monetary incentives have been extended to members of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Additionally, the transport needs of our defense forces are being attended to following the ongoing procurement of an assortment of vehicles, including over 200 buses. The acquisition of versatile troop-carrying and modern fighting vehicles, among other operational vehicles, is set to further enhance organizational mobility within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, to improve accommodation facilities for Zimbabwe Defense Forces personnel. Government is implementing various projects such as the Silvester and Kumalo housing projects. Other housing units are being constructed at Mbizo and Jason Ziapa Memorial Air Force Base. To date, the Silvester housing project is 201 completed housing units and others at different stages of completion. The Mbizo institutional housing project has 44 units at different stages of completion and an additional 30 units scheduled to be completed by year end. To accelerate the completion of targeted units, my government has contracted private companies to construct a total of 260 blocks of flats. The health needs of members of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces remain a priority area. In this regard, the completion of the Manyana Hospital is being accelerated in our quest to ensure that specialist medical services are available to our dear Defense Forces. And the People's Force, I commend the Zimbabwe Defense Forces Health Services Department for the free health services which continue to be availed to disadvantaged communities in our lands. Similarly, the construction regiment is deploying artisans to various ministries and departments in infrastructure development projects. These include the construction of school blocks and clinics within various rural communities across all our provinces. By so doing, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces is living up to our national development philosophy. Yika! Yika! My fellow citizens, comrades and friends, landmines and other explosive remnants of the liberation war along our borders continue to pose a threat to human and animal life. Further, the landmines are an impediment to the full access and utilization of our land by affected communities. The mining operations are taking place in all the affected areas along our country's borders with Mozambique and Zambia, covering Mashonaland Central, Mashonaland East, Mnangagwa, and Mashonaland provinces. We remain determined to realize the land-mine-free Zimbabwe by 2025. The Second Republic took a deliberate decision to honor all heroes who contributed during the different periods of our liberation struggle. Additionally, my government is improving the welfare of the veterans of the liberation struggle, their dependents, and those of departed heroes and heroines. It is our duty. It is a burden we must accept. To expedite the operationalization of the National Heroes Act, a 5-member Heroes Dependents Assistance Board has since been appointed. As they discharge their functions and conduct a nationwide registration exercise for all dependents of heroes and heroines, no place would be left behind. My government ruled the Veterans of the Liberation Struggle Act has organized the non-combatant fighters and the war collaborators and the veterans of the Liberation Struggle. To this end, non-combatant fighters and the war collaborators were successfully vetted. Earlier this morning, some of these fighters have received from me their independence medals, while others are receiving their medals at provincial centers countrywide today. In terms of the utilization of agricultural land, my government is firmly concerned with the challenges faced by surviving dependents of heroes and heroines. I therefore direct the Ministry of Defense and Urban Affairs, in conjunction with the Ministry of Finance, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development, consecutively to address this challenge. Land is the very source that veterans of the liberation struggle sacrificed their lives for. All those engaged in such malpractices stand warned and must desist from these tendencies forthwith. In conclusion, I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to you all, the people of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwean Defense Forces, the men and women of our forces, for your selfless and service to our great motherland, Zimbabwe. Today we honor and salute you, our defense forces. Thank you for coming out in your numbers, the brave people from Kapa, the people of Zimbabwe, driving against these commemorations. I thank you. I wish you and your families a happy 43rd Zimbabwe National Defense Forces Celebrations Day. Long live our defense forces! Long live our people! Long live our Zimbabwe! Long live peace! Long live unity! Long live freedom and democracy and sovereignty! God bless you all! God bless Zimbabwe! I thank you.
SlyMedia TV, building bridges.